My kids keep making this amazing mix that sits on your shelf for months at a time until you're ready to grab it and to bake with it. And before your year gets busy, you're gonna wanna get these on the shelf too.
That's good.
That's delicious.
Hi, I'm Brianna.
And I'm Abigail.
And today we're going to show you how to make brownie mix. First, you need to start with, I use a wide mouth quart jar, make sure it's clean and dry, and labeled with the words brownie mix.
First, we're going to put in 2 cups of white sugar into each jar.
After that, we'll add a cup of flour to each one.
Next, we're going to put in 2/3 of a cup of cocoa powder.
After that, we're going to add 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. You may have to shake it down a little, but it will all fit if you shake it down.
And last of all, 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Then we're just gonna come through and put our lids on, and your mix is ready to go. Abigail, do you know what the last step we have to do is?
I think we better clean up so Mom will let us cook in the kitchen again.
Yeah. Now your mix is ready to put on your pantry shelf until you're ready to use it.
That was really easy, wasn't it?
Didn't they do a great job? Our mixes are ready to sit on the pantry shelf until you are ready to use them. Now, one of the great things about this brownie mix is that it's so incredibly easy to actually turn into brownies that the little kids can do it all by themselves. And to show you, I'm gonna have Hannah come out and show us exactly how to turn these into brownies.
I'm Hannah and I'm 8 years old, and today I'm going to show you how to make brownies. First, you need 1 jar of your brownie mix. Dump it into a bowl and then mix it up. And then take 4 eggs and crack them into a measuring cup. Ooh, look at, they even have pretty colors. Now beat the eggs really well.
Can I help you beat it just a little
Sure. Now pour it into your bowl. Now add 1 cup of melted coconut oil and 2 teaspoons vanilla.
Hannah's using vanilla bean paste, but you could definitely use regular vanilla extract. Good job. What do we do now?
Now mix it up really well.
Now, if you didn't want to use melted coconut oil, you could use any sort of a cooking oil, or you could use a melted butter or a melted lard. All of them work really, really well. And you could kind of fancy this up right here, couldn't you, Hannah?
Yeah.
We could add chocolate chips. You could put in some peppermint extract if you wanted. You could even put in some nuts if you wanted some walnuts in there. That would be great right at this stage. Perfect. Good job. This is a greased 8x8 cooking, just Pyrex pan. What do we do next?
Put it in.
Put it in?
Yeah.
All right. Do I get to lick the batter? Or the beater?
Can you hold the pan?
I can.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for making me brownies.
You're welcome.
Well, good thing you're so strong. That's a lot of good brownie mix. I wish you guys could smell this. It already smells like chocolate heaven. I don't know what to say. It smells really chocolatey and really gooey and really good. Should you make these brownies often?
I made them yesterday. I think I made some a few days before that.
You're getting them all nice and smooth now?
Yeah.
Great. Before Hannah started making the brownie mix here, we preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're gonna slide these in for about 20 to 25 minutes. Make sure you insert a toothpick right in the middle. Make sure it comes out clean, but don't overcook them. Take them out as soon as it comes out clean because you want nice gooey brownies. Now, if you really want to kick this up an additional notch, you could sprinkle chocolate chips over the top before you bake them. You could also wait until you pull them out of the oven and then sprinkle on mini marshmallows, some graham cracker pieces, and a crumbled up Hershey's bar. And ooh, that makes for some more brownies, which is great around the campfire this summer. Okay, thanks, Hannah. We're gonna slide these in the oven now.
Okay.
Okay, you guys ready to taste this?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Give it a try. It's like fudgy, it's gooey. Oh,
That's good.
That's delicious.
really good. Hey, if you guys want to make one more mix to keep on your shelf until you're ready to use it, check out this video right here.